Sige guys, ito building fix 1.41 before after. Di naman natin makita yung ano niya, kaibahan. Pero sa tips, find obvious building errors that need to be fixed. Use repair tool, right angle tool X, and freestyle repair tool Z to repair tasks. Use hold control arrow left arrow right to rotate some tilted buildings. Drag building edge line to change the shape of the building. So same pa rin dito guys, no? Okay, actualin natin guys. So ganito guys, dito tayo magsimula. Ganyan, pag ganyan tayo. Pag ganyan, para walang malaktawan. So parang kasali to guys, oh. Sige, sali natin yan. Ano naman to? Ground. Delete natin yan guys. Ground yan guys. Okay. Ito. Next. Karang meron naman. Pero ito ground to guys. Delete yan guys. Ground. Sali ata to guys. I-ano natin. X lang yung gamit ko guys ha. Repair tool. Ito guys. Parang kutsi. Delete natin yan. Ito building extension, so ka-capture natin yan. Ito ground ito ground X natin X yan. Ito building extension hindi na captured. Ano ba to? Ganyan para straight, so ida-drag lang natin yan. Select all lang ito guys ha, letter A. Yan. Ito, tama to guys, hindi kinakapture yung pool, swimming pool. So ito parang ground to guys. So ano natin yan, repair natin. Ito rin, repair natin yung konti guys. Konti lang naman yan, konti lang naman. Okay, yan, tama na yan. Ito, missing part. Okay, ito parang ground man to. Okay na yan. Ito guys, sobrang pangit yung pagkakadraw niya guys. I-delete na lang natin yan guys, kaysa mag-repair pa tayo. Marami ng oras makukuha niyan. Ganyan lang. Okay, tama na to. Lagay natin sa missing parts. Ganyan lang. Okay na yan. Ito malaking ground, na-capture. So X, yan lang. Okay, tama na yan. Ito, tama na to. Tama rin ito. May ground na naman. So pipix lang natin yan. Usog lang konti ito guys. Building extension yan guys. So yan, okay na yan. Ito word shape, word ba word. Ganyan lang guys. Ganyan lang. Ito ground, parang ground, no? Ground ba? Ground yan, walang shadow eh. Delete natin yan. Yan, okay na yan. Okay, parang may missing parts. Select all, drag lang natin. Okay na. Ito ground to guys. Delete natin yan ground. Ito rin ground din to. Paano to? Shadow yan, shadow. Ito parang missing parts guys, oh. Okay, ganyanin natin yan. Then yan. Okay na yan. Ito, delete yan, delete. Then ihahatak lang yan dyan para buo na siyang building. Okay na to guys. Submit na. Bahala na si checker dyan maghanap ng mali. Thank you.